The universal law of gravitation. It was proposed by Newton. The universal law of gravitation states that each mass particle attracts other mass particle by a force, and that force is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of their distance. Here g is the constant of gravitation, m is mass of one body, m2 is mass of other body. Now, why Newton proposed this law? Newton proposed this law to explain the motion of planets. The gravitation force is highly significant between heavenly bodies like planets, but not between bodies on earth like we human beings and other bodies on earth. The gravitational force between us and the earth can be said as gravity, that is whose numerical value is 9.8 Newton. For example, this is earth and this is a human being. The gravitational force between them can be said as gravity, whose numerical value is 9.8 Newton. Now, why this gravitational force is not significant between us? This is because the numerical value of gravity is 9.8 Newton, but the numerical value of g is 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11, which is very small than this. This is why it is not significant between us. Now we will look what are the importance of this universal law of gravitation. It bind everything to earth. Like moon is there, it bind moon with earth. The moon does not go away. It is the gravitational force of sun that bind everything to earth, like planet revolve around sun. The gravitational force of earth is responsible to hold atmosphere around earth. The flow of water is also because of gravitational force of earth. The artificial satellite revolve around earth because of this gravitational force only which bind them. Thank you.